Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, enjoying your holidays. Students, in our last lecture, we have covered chapter number 14, has and have, and I hope you all understood the concept of has and have. Students, the chapter number 15 deals with capital letters, and chapter number 16 deals with questions. We will skip both these chapters, and today we will start chapter number 17. It deals with capital letters, full stop and question marks. So both the concept of chapter number 16 and 15 both we will cover in this chapter. So let's start chapter number 17, English grammar book, page number 52. Chapter number 17, English grammar book, page number 52. The title of the chapter is capital letters, full stops and question marks. I will explain all these three sections one by one so that you can easily understand the concept of above mentioned all these capital letters, full stops and question marks. So let's start, student, one by one. So first we will see what are capital letters. A capital letter is a form of an alphabetical letter such as capital A, capital B, capital C. I hope you remember, you in your KGs you write small alphabets and then you write capital alphabets. So same capital alphabets, so you can say capital letters. These are the same letters you have done in your KGs. So a capital letter is the form of an alphabetical letters used to begin a proper noun or the first word in a sentence. So students, basically where we use capital letter to begin a proper noun or the first word in a sentence. Capital letter is an uppercase letter. Uppercase letter means the same, the upper one, big one, capital. So we use capital letters for names of people, names of places, days and months. It is used to begin a sentence, and it is also used for word I. For word I. Actually, the word I is not a proper noun. It's a pronoun. But in English language or in English, I is always capitalized. Okay, students, remember the word I is always capitalized in English. So same is the case here, that I should be always capital. And for other things like names of people, places, for days, months, we use capital letters. Okay, students, let's see one example. I will speak this example, that I eat an apple. So the first word I should be capital here. I eat an apple. Okay, the first word of the sentence should be capital. So I will explain some other examples also. Like, see, on page number 52, read these sentences. See the first line. What is your name? Now this is a question. What is your name? How you can recognize this is a question? Because there is a question mark at the end of the sentence. This I will explain you later. So what is your name? The second boy Ravi, he will reply that my name is Ravi. Now see here, this my M is capital. This M is capital here, and in this sentence you can see Ravi. Ravi is the name of the person, name of the boy, so it's also start with capital letter. So first letter of the sentence should be capital, and then if any name of the person, name of the place, name of the month, days, so if anything come in the sentence, so it will start from capital letters. Okay students, like you can see the next sentence, where do you live? The Ravi reply, I, same condition, I will be capital because it is the first letter of sentence, so it is capital. See here, you can see I is capital. I live in Mumbai. Now Mumbai is the name of the city in India, so Mumbai is the name of place, so Mumbai M will be capital. Okay students, see number 3. Sunil, when is your birthday? Now Ravi reply, my birthday is on September 6th. Now in this sentence, same is the case with the first letter, that we will write the first letter of the sentence M capital, and then there is the name of month in this sentence, September. So as I told you before that the name of the month, the name of the days should be capital. So here the S will be capital because it is the name of the month. So this is the explanation of capital letters, that you have to use capital letter for the words. When you start the sentence, the first letter should be capital, and if some other words like name of the people, places, days or month are in the sentence, so you have to start the first letter with capital for those names also. Okay students, let's move to the second section of the chapter, full stop. Full stop, you can see full stop. A full stop, actually full stop is a punctuation mark which we use at the end of a sentence when it is not a question or exclamation. Okay students, when we use full stop, we use full stop at the end of the sentence, and when it is not a question or exclamation. Now you can see here it looks like a dot. Okay students, it looks like a dot. So you can see here this is the question mark here. This is the full stop. Okay students, you can see here it is a full stop. Okay students, see this second sentence in this chapter, my name is Ravi. Now this is a proper one sentence, and this is not a question, this is not a exclamation, so we will put a dot here at the end of the sentence, which is called full stop. But when the sentence is a question, like see this line, the top one, the first one, what is your name? Now this is a question, so we will not put a full stop here. Here question mark will come because this is question. Okay students, so for normal sentence we will put at the end of the sentence question mark to end the sentence. Okay, when you need to end the sentence, you have to put full stop. Okay students, so I told you a full stop is basically a punctuation mark. Okay students, which you have to put at the end of the sentence when the sentence is not a question or exclamation, and it's look like a dot. Okay students, like if I say one example, I study in Jazan International School, so I will put, this is a normal sentence, so I will put at the end of the sentence, when I want to end the sentence, I will put a dot at the end of the sentence, and this is a full stop. Like you can see here, the second sentence, that Sunil asked, where do you live? The Ravi replied that I live in Mumbai. Now the sentence ends here, so he put full stop here. Okay students, so let's move to the next section. Number 3, question mark. Question mark. First of all, I will tell you what is question. Okay students, let's see. We ask question when we want to know something. Okay, when we need some information, when we want to know something, we ask something from other, that is question. Okay students, we ask question when we want to know something, when we need some information. We use words like, what words what words should we use for ask question? I will tell you that we use words like how, who, where, what, when, which, and why. All these words we use to ask question. Okay students, all these words like how, who, where, what, when, which, and why, all these words we use to ask questions. Okay students, now see the sentence, we start from these words are always end with a question mark. The sentence we start with these words is always end with a question mark. Now you can see what is question mark. The question marks look like this. You can see on your book that question marks look like this. This is question mark. Okay, so here you can see, what is your name? Now this is question. Okay, when you end this sentence, you will not put full stop because this is question. Here what is used, so you will put question mark here. When you put question mark here, then you can say that this is a question. Okay, what is your name? Here you, if you when you end the sentence, you will have to put question mark. Okay students, now basically question mark is also a punctuation symbol, and it's also placed at the end of sentence. So what is question mark? Question mark is also punctuation symbol, and it's always placed at the end of the sentence. Now you can see the second line, where do you live? Where do you live? Now it's also a question marks, a question. Now at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark. Now see the third one, when it is your birthday. So he is also asking for some information, he wants to know something, that's why he is asking when is your birthday. So at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark because he is asking for something, he needs some information. Same is the case with these sentences, above mentioned sentences, that where do you live? Now he is asking the information, where do you live, where is your house? So he wants to know where he lives. So go to the number 1 sentence, what is your name? So here it's also asking for information. So what is your name? So these are all questions, you have to put question mark at the end of the sentence, then it will become question. Okay students, so these are all 3 sections of the chapter. The first one is capital letter, then full stop, and then question mark. I told you capital letter, they are all alphabetical letters like uppercase letters, and like the name of the people, places, days, and months. We always use the first letter of the word is capital. Okay, and the first letter of the sentence always we use capital letter. as I told you in the examples in your book, that see here, the first letter is always capital, so M will be capital. My name is Ravi. Now Ravi is the name of the person, so it will R will also become capital. So the second section was full stop. So full stop, I told you, that is a punctuation mark, and which is used at the end of the sentence. When we use it, when the sentence is not a question or exclamation. Okay students, and it's look like a dot. So the third section was question mark. So question mark, I told you that we use question when we want to know something, or we need some information. We use sentence, and we put at the end of the sentence question mark, so it will become question. So we use we use words like how, who, where, what, when, which, and why to ask questions. Okay students, now let's move to the exercises given at the same page number 52. When you go down, this is the exercise number 1. Okay students, now see what he is saying. Begin each sentence with a capital letter. Okay, now you have to start each sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop or a question mark. Okay students, now he is saying that you have to start the sentence with a capital letter, number 1. Number 2, what he is asking, that you have to end the sentence with a full stop or a question mark. If it's a question, then you have to put question mark. Okay students, question mark. But if it's a normal sentence, it's not a question, not an exclamation, so you have to put full stop. Okay students, let's start exercise number 1. The option number 1 is already solved. See, Snoopy is my pet dog. So what is the error in this sentence? That there is no full stop in this error, and Snoopy is the name of the dog, so S word, see, now S also, it's the first letter of the sentence, first word of the sentence, so S should be capital. So you can see here that he put S capital. Okay, Snoopy is my pet dog, and then he put question mark, full stop at the end. Okay students, now this is correct sentence. Now you have to write like this. Okay students, let's see option number 2. He is a small dog. Okay students, now the same error in this sentence, that H is small and there is no full stop here. Okay students, there is no full stop. When you write the sentence in your grammar book, you have to write H capital, because it's the first letter of the sentence, first word of the sentence, so H will be capital. He is a small dog, and then at the end you have to put full stop. Okay students, like see option number 3, he is 2 years old. Same error, you have to write first letter capital, H capital, he is 2 years old, and then at the end of the sentence full stop will come. Okay students, let's go to the next page number 53. See option number 4, he loves to eat biscuits. Same error in this sentence, the H of word he should be capital, because it's the first word of the sentence. He loves to eat biscuits, so full stop will come at the end of the sentence. He likes me a lot. Same error, you have to write H capital and put full stop at the end. Option number 6, I love him very much. Now, as I told you earlier, that the I word in English is always capital, so you have to write capital I. And the second reason, it's also the first word of the sentence. So you have to write I capital here. I love him very much, and you have to put full stop at the end. Now see option number 7. Do you also have a dog? Now see, the word do will come here. So from this sentence, if you translate this sentence, so you will find it that he is asking for some information. Do you also have a dog? He wants to know something. So this is a question. So the first letter of the word, first word of the sentence, D, should be capital like this. You have to write D capital. Do you also have a dog? And then you have to put question mark at the end, so it will become question. Okay students, see the errors. D should be capital. Do you also have a dog? And at the end of the sentence you have to put question mark, then it will become question. Same option number 8. This sentence is also question. See, what color is your dog? Now again he is asking for some information, that what color is your dog. So W is capital, first word of the sentence, W should be capital. What color is your dog? And then question mark at the end of the sentence, then it will become question. Hope all of you understand well. It's very easy. So 2 options are there in this exercise. You have to put full stop or you have to put question mark. The sentences which need some information, which is showing that he is asking for some information, you have to put question mark, and the normal sentence you have to put full stop at the end of the sentence. Now see exercise number 2. Okay students, exercise number 2. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters. Rewrite, then means you have to write again, like see this sentence, that one sentence already written there, and the next line is blank, so you have to rewrite and write it correctly again in this blank space. Okay students, rewrite these sentences using capital letters. Now what you have to do, you have to use capital letters, full stops and question marks. Okay students, what you have to do, you have to rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stops and question mark. Now see, let's move to option number 1. Option number 1 is already solved. See, where does Keaton live? Now the same error, W is small, this is error. Okay, Keaton, K is small, it's the name of the boy. Okay, so K should be capital, and there is nothing at the end of the sentence. When you are going to end the sentence, there should be something. If it's not question, then you have to put full stop, and if it's question, you have to put question mark. So 3 errors are there in this sentence. See, what is the answer? See, W is capital. Where does Keaton, the name of the boy, so K should be capital, and where does Keaton live? So this is a question, so question mark will come at the end of the sentence. Okay students, understand? It's very easy. Okay, number 2, see option number 2. Keaton has a toy crocodile. Okay students, now see 2 errors are there. Number 1, Keaton is the name, so K should be capital. Okay students, K should be capital, Keaton, and it's although it is also the first word of the sentence, so K should be capital. Keaton has a toy crocodile. Okay students, you have to put full stop at the end of the sentence to close the sentence, to end the sentence. Okay students, see option number 3. What is the name of crocodile? So again this error, that W should be capital. What is the name of crocodile? See, now you can easily see that it's asking for some information. So you have to put question mark at the end of the sentence to close the sentence so that it will become question. Option number 4. Ketan took the crocodile to school one day. Now same error. The K of Ketan should be capital. Took the crocodile to school one day, and this is not a question, so we will put question full stop at the end of the sentence to close it. Okay students, now if in this sentence if he mentioned the name of the school, so it should be in capital, it should be start with capital words, but here it's only written school, so there is no specific information that which is a specific school was it, so we will write school is with small letters. Okay students, so see option number 5. Option number 5 is the children liked it very much. Now see, same error. The first word of the sentence, the first letter should be T, will be capital. The children liked it very much. This is a normal sentence. This is not a question, so we will put full stop at the end of the sentence to close the sentence. Okay students, now see question option number 6. Option number 6, you can see on your grammar books that they played with it. Now the same error that they, T is the first word of the first letter of the sentence, so T should be capital. They played with it, and there is no full stop at the end, and you have to put full stop at the end of the sentence to close it. Okay students, I hope you understand these exercises. So I will make your homework. I will make one exercise with some random sentences. You have to write capital letters, and you have to put full stops or question marks. The same exercise you have to do, but I will make it myself, and then I will send you one PDF file. You have to just take print and just solve it, okay, and just practice it more so that you can understand easily the concept of all these sections: capital letters, full stop, question mark. I hope it's very easy for you. All of you guys are very intelligent, so I'm sure it's very interesting and it's very easy for you guys. Okay, so today this is the end. It's the end of the our lecture. This is the end of our lecture. So inshallah, I'll see you till the next lecture, and take care all of you, and enjoy your vacations. Keep remembering me in your prayers. Goodbye.